Hello friends, welcome to Insight Learners. So in this video we have a job update, that is Expleo of campus is hiring freshers. So we shall quickly see the job details. So the job role or the job title, it is for graduate engineer trainee, and the experience needed for the job role, it is for freshers, and the salary or the CTC, it is 3.5 lakhs per annum, and the job of the work location is either Chennai, Pune or across India, so you can prefer any of the work location. And the next thing is the eligibility criteria for the job role. So the education or the qualification needed, it is for BA or BTech graduates, and the streams eligible is either computer science, information technology, electronics and communication, as well as electrical and electronics engineering, as well as postgraduates like MCA and MSc graduates are eligible to apply. And the streams eligible for post graduation is either software engineering or software systems. And the percentage criteria, it should be 60% and above throughout in 10th, 12th as well as graduation, and there should be no any arrears or backlogs to apply for this particular job role. And the year of pass out is for 2020, 21, 2022 as well as 2023, and there is service agreement for 3 years. So the next thing is the event details. So the drive, it will be it is not online, so it will be offline, and the event location, it is Salem, that is Tamil Nadu, and the event date, it is on 9th as well as 10th February 2023. So the next thing is the venue details. So it is on Knowledge City, so Knowledge Institute of Technology, KIOT campus, NH 544, so Kakapallam, Salem, Tamil Nadu. So this is the venue details. So the details will be provided in the description. You can accordingly go through that. So the next thing is the selection process. The first round, it will be online. So first round will be the assessment test, so written test, which will be conducted offline, and once you clear the test, so there will be group discussion, and then later it will be followed by L1 technical interview as well as L2 technical interview, and the last round will be the HR round. So these are the total 5 rounds that are included in the selection process. So then coming to the application link, it's a Google document form, so wherein you can fill your full name, so first name and your father's name and your email address and your date of birth and your contact number and the valid email ID, and you can enter your state and your district details and your college name and the year of pass out, and you need to enter your graduation details as well as the streams, everything, and you need to upload your updated resume, and you can submit the application form. So the link will be provided in the description. You can quickly go and apply for the job role. So the drive, it will be started on 9, so apply immediately for this particular job role. Thank you friends for watching, and do subscribe our channel for more updates.